Triumph, Brooklyn. The place where dreams come to die. What up, what up? Hello, ladies and gents. It's a vlog. It's a vloggy vlog. We're over here chilling. We are riding the old 620 to get an inspection.
A little left,
Wow. Yo, why are you parking so close to me, bro? I don't know you. Anyway, I am riding with my boy, riding bikes NYC, and yeah.
Yo, that bike stinks, man.
Does it?
No, yeah.
I know. Like oil, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
Is it smoking down there?
No, it's pretty exhaust.
Ah. It's not bad. Baby, smooth. Big fan of this bike. Really want to get around this guy. He's carrying all these ladders, carrying all these things. Oh, what a beautiful day. I just tightened my steering head. I'm not sure how much. That helped. Not exactly sure what that was about. Ugh. The shifting is very rough still. It's like, eh. I don't even know what I'm inspecting it for.
It's illegal, yeah?
Yeah. You gonna get on BQE? What is happening? Later, amigo. Man, the madness of New York City. The city that never sleeps, baby. I need to fix these Velcros. These Velcros are not it. These Velcros are not Velcroing. This was the dumbest way to go to where I'm going, because I could have taken little back streets and already been there. But instead we're doing all this shit. Way too much. What are you doing, brother? What are we doing? What's with the blinkers? What are we doing, guy? Nice. Like a glove. Look at this madness, family. This is madness, family. Why are things so crazy around here? I don't know. I don't know. But yeah, this baby needs a bit of an inspection. We are expired, so we're gonna make that happen. We're gonna do that up because I need to get this baby current, legal, and freaking, you know, legit. I'm like G Herbo. I went legit, you know. These people think. These people think shit is sweet. Shit is indeed not sweet at all. Shit is indeed not sweet at all. Shit is sour. Shit is sour. Let's see if my boy actually has time to do an inspection right now. Maybe, maybe not. Hard to tell. Hard to know. But I've decided to just show up like a savage instead of giving any sort of heads up to anyone. Let's see what we got. Let's pull up for the old inspection. Triumph, Brooklyn. The place where dreams come to die. My bike is leaning crazy lean, but you know, we're gonna do, not gonna do shit. Huh? How you doing? Fucking inspection, baby. We are golden. And now we're gonna cruise back. It's a really chill, really warm Saturday afternoon. Can't even see. I have pockets full, so it's hard for me to zip up this jacket for some reason. I got all these things in my pockets. Phones and, you know, wallets. Phones, wallets, glasses, watches, shinks and things. Look at that. Without the quad lock over here, this thing looks so clean. I dig it. I really dig it. Triumph, Brooklyn. It's actually not even that cold. It's actually downright lovely today. It's a really nice day. Yeah, I'm gonna go that way. Less sketchy. Here we go. Boop. Put this baby in neutral. Sorry. All right. Which way are we gonna go? We go this way. Whoa, the wind. Wicked wind. Wicked wind. Yeah, this thing's a little jerky. Probably should not be riding this baby around. Probably should inspect it further. But that said, we'll ride this baby around. Oh, it's a gorgeous day. It's a beautiful day here in Brooklyn. First day of November. It's you know, Halloween was yesterday, so that's kind of cool. Look at these nerds. What is even happening here? What is this shit, bro? What are we doing? Go back to Pennsylvania with that nonsense. Fucking nerd. Look at this man. Yeah, the suspension is rough to say the least, I say. But could be worse, right? Oh, we got some po-po up in there. So actually gonna take a ride over here. We're not gonna deal with the law. Weird weather. It was really nice for a second, and now it's gross again. Weird weather. I think it's the wind. I think as soon as the sun disappears, it stops being pleasant, starts being real. Sound, dude. Just listening to the sound. Bike feels good. Ooh. Nerds. No, that's okay. That's fine. Neutral. The shifting is a little tight still. Still not ideal. You have to figure that out. There we go. Your idle's pretty good. Not bad. I gotta tighten this. This is insane. This is not good at all. This one is somewhat okay, I guess. Everything's flappy. Everything's floppy. We're out of control. Now you put on the turn signal. Rookie moves. This bike just fucking sounds so cool. I do like it. I do like the sound. I have to admit that immediately. And I like the smell of oil. This is quite frustrating for me just because I ride this bike differently. I think 937 I can throw around. This thing here has to be handled gently. Just in its current state. I gotta figure out all the freaking weird bits off with it before I start freaking throwing this baby around. Longest light ever here in Berg. Pedestrians are kings. This guy's in a t-shirt, brother. Well, it's downright 60 degrees, nearly. these folks. Super chill drive. Little G-Class. Nice Monster over here. That's adorable. Boom, boom. There we are. That's some sick hair, brother. I do like it. I do like the green hair. That is pretty cute. That is pretty cute. People are still in their outfits. Presumably they had like overnight Halloween parties. Maybe. I don't know. Hard to tell. Hard to know who is who and what is what. All right, baby, come on. Give me that green. It's time to park the machine and pour some lean beer into the spleen. There we go. Old man still got it. The shifting is so awful. What the fuck is popping off here? Some sort of sample sale nonsense? Some pizza nonsense? Folks are wicked.